Deep within South America lies a world teeming with life, mystery, and ancient secrets, the Amazon jungle. This is a story of survival, interconnectedness, and the fragile balance that sustains us all. Home to 10% of Earth's known species, the Amazon is a living library of biodiversity. Every leaf, creature, and drop of water plays a role in a delicate dance millions of years in the making. For millennia, indigenous communities have lived in harmony with this land. Their wisdom, a blueprint for sustainability, now faces threats from beyond the trees. Every minute, 1,500 acres vanish, a casualty of greed and indifference. Deforestation, mining, and climate change are unraveling the Amazon's fabric. But hope persists. Scientists, activists, and locals are fighting to heal the Amazon, proving that destruction is not inevitable. The Amazon is more than a jungle. It's the pulse of our planet. Its fate is ours. What will we choose?